Hi, I am Holly Olson and I have been asked to show you how to create shapes in CSS. I am not very good at this, or very proficient, so I decided I'm just going to make a simple shape man for you, using 4 basic shapes: oval, two different triangles, a square, and a rectangle. And because I've made it before, you can see I have my divs right here for those shapes, and I have my classes here as well. So let's start with the oval for the head. Now with every shape in CSS, you have to start it with either a rectangle or a square, because you have to do the width and the height. But because, and I need to give it a color, sorry. Because I want to I don't want it to be a square, I want it to be an oval or a circle, so I need to do border radius. And what this does, border radius, curves the edges. Because I want to do it at an oval, I would do 50%, and it shapes my oval for me. So there we have my oval. Now we'll start working on the shoulders. And because these are a triangle, even though triangles are not made with width and height, you still need to put width and height at 0, or you will find that it stretches clear across the screen. You make triangles with 2 different sides of a border. So I'm going to be doing border top at 100 px solid purple. And because I want it to sit on the left side of the page, I want the triangle to be to the left, I need to do a border right. And because I want to not have a square, instead of going solid purple again, I do solid transparent, because as you can see it's black right now, but once I have done that, it makes it into the triangle. And because that's what I'm doing below it, I will just copy it and paste. Except that makes another one on the left side, and I don't want that. I want it on the right side, so I put transparent on the left. But I need it up higher, or else it won't make the shoulders that I want. So I do margin, top, -100, and there you have even shoulders. Okay, because I have made, one thing I've noticed, my head is not centered on my body. So I need to go up here, margin left, 15px. There we go, now it's centered. And because I've done this before, I found that I was showing a lot of belly, and I didn't like that. So I made a little square to put in the place. So for width, because it's a small square, it's going to have, it's going to be small. And I need to give it a color. So there you see we have it, but it's not centered and nor is it high enough. So we need to do margin left, 25px. Okay, so it's centered now, but now we need to get it high enough. Margin top, -60px. So there we go. It works perfect. Now I need to make the bottoms. So, and because it is a rectangle, I will not be making the width and the height the same amount. I'll make the width 50px and the height 100px. And we'll give it a color. And I know they don't look the best together, but it's okay. And as you see, it's not lined up, so we need to line that up by using margin left and 25px, and there you go. There is my simple man. I hope that you have been shown a simple way to make shapes and make different shapes out of those simple shapes. Thank you.